This is Dino reporting after another snowstorm here on Long Island. We had about 12 inches of snow, a classic nor'easter actually. Snow turned to sleet and is now a driving rainstorm, and it's going to change back to snow in about 3 hours. We had about 12, 13 inches of snow today, and we're going to get an additional 3 to 4 inches tonight. This is part of the carnage right here. Yeah, after I shoveled today, I feel like I'm coming down with the flu. It's weird. So I'm coming to Rite Aid right now to get some NyQuil and maybe some of those Coldies tablets. This is live action. Dino reporting from the South Shore of Long Island after another battering snowstorm. And I'm about to enter Rite Aid right now. There's absolute chaos going on in the store. They're actually redoing the whole store. I have no idea what anything is right now. How you doing, man? Oh, where is that NyQuil? I have no idea where it is now. Let me see. How you doing? Oh, man, Dino was lost. Oh, here we go. Here's Coldies right here. See, but this is what you do. You buy the Rite Aid brand. Same ingredients, but half the price. $7.49, $4.94. Well, not exactly half, but close. Okay, let me see if I can get. Oh, great! Here we go. Here's the NyQuil, cold and flu. That's $9.99, but I'm gonna go for the Rite Aid brand, and it's $5.39. See, this is how you shop. This is how you shop, people. Oh my God, it's like The Walking Dead in here. People just like walking around like zombies. All right, I really would like to get maybe some vitamin C also. Don't know where it is though. God, it's mayhem in here. No idea what the vitamins are. You know what the vitamins are?
Oh yeah, it's right here.
Like vitamin C and stuff. Alright, thanks. Thank you, man. Very helpful person there from Rite Aid. Okay. God, people are coughing all over the place in this place. That's exactly what I need. Let me see. There's so many vitamins here. I want vitamin C, so... oh man, I don't know what to do. Let me see if I should get that bottle or... That's weird. Oh, it was a chewable, okay. Alright. Just bear with me, kids. Alright. Oh, here we go, right here. 100 vitamin C, 500 milligram tablets. For $3.49. Can't beat it. is zombie land in here. God, look at all these Valentine. Like nobody went shopping for Valentine's because of the snowstorm. There's candy all over the place. Look at this. These shelves should be empty right now, the day before Valentine's Day. That's what a snowstorm will do to you. Just stops everything. Alright guys, this is Dino reporting from Rite Aid, South Shore, after another major snowstorm. We'll see you guys later.